Okay, girls. Let's plop in out from the car. Wait, gotta press it up. Okay, girls. Okay. Okay. Let's open it. Beep, beep, beep. I already pressed it. Beep, beep, beep. Okay. Me too. Okay, close it up. Beep, 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 beep. Okay, let's get out. Gotta get out. We already go inside. Let's eat some ice cream. Yay! You. I'm gonna get it. Let's open it, and it has a rainbow flavor. Let's open it up. Yep. Okay, girls, I got this ice cream for a while. We got this first, the Waltz ice cream cup. Because the rainbow's gonna waste sometimes. Here, let's try it. I don't really like this one, but yeah. Me too. Because the kids really like it. Ooh, it's really soft. Look. You scoop it up. It's really soft. Yep, it is. Let me try it. This tastes yummy. I'm gonna try it. That tastes good, huh? Look at that. It's really soft. I'm gonna eat it first. Eat it. Yummy. You turn it on, the lights. Still. Some chocolate ice cream. Ooh, look at that ice cream. Just turn on the light for a while. Let me eat some ice cream. Please. Wow. Isn't it good on you? I think I don't really want it. I'll try Elsia. Yeah. Who can guess what taste is this? Chocolate. I know the taste. I'm gonna try it. It's so good. You know, guys, ice cream melts in your mouth super fast. Like cotton candy. Yeah. But we just like ice cream better than cotton candy. This is so good. I like the walls, but it's just a little too sweet, so I think I like the rainbow one better. Me too. It's so sweet. And look, it's looking super soft. I guess, yeah. Annia. Okay. Wash my nose. Face this chocolate for me. Oh, that's amazing. This tastes a little too sweet, but I like the rainbow better than this one. It's my favorite ice cream. I mean, my favorite food. You know. Look at it. Okay, Elsia, let's see the rainbow one. You can put it in the fridge.